Okay guys, I need to tell you something. Head first into the ultimate splash fest. Thailand's top water parks await for the Songkran of 2024. Andamanda in Phuket, an aquatic wonderland. Vana Nava in Hua Hin, a water-filled jungle of fun. Ramayana in Pattaya, a slide paradise. And Siam, amazing park in Bangkok. Well, the name says it all. Experience the thrill of these exhilarating attractions. Unravel the mysteries of the Andamanda's dragon pool, or brave the towering slides of Vana Nava. Paddle through the lazy rivers of Ramayana and marvel at the world's largest wave pool in Siam Amusing Park. But hey, it's not all about the adrenaline rush. These parks offer ample opportunities for relaxation too. Picture yourself floating on the gentle currents of Ramayana's lazy river, or soaking in the tranquil pools of Andamanda. So this Songkran, don't just splash water on the streets, make a splash in Thailand's top water parks. This is the guide to dive into fun, and it's guaranteed to make your Songkran of 2024 unforgettable. See the world for less. Book now on Agoda.